Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple ways to get faster and more stable internet at home. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, these quick tips can make a real difference. First, whenever possible, switch to a wired connection. An Ethernet connection is almost always faster and more stable than Wi Fi. It's especially helpful for gaming, high definition streaming, or important video calls. If your router is far away, you can use powerline adapters. These devices send your internet connection through your home's electrical wiring, extending your network with very little speed loss. It's an easy and practical upgrade. Next, let's talk about Wi Fi placement. Your router should be positioned in a central, elevated spot in your home. Keep it away from thick walls, metal objects, and appliances like microwaves, since these can interfere with the signal and slow things down. Upgrading your router can also make a big difference. Dual band or tri band routers handle multiple devices much more efficiently. If you want the best performance, consider a Wi Fi 6 router, especially if you have a lot of devices connected at the same time. If you're using NordVPN, you can improve speeds by connecting to the fastest servers. The Quick Connect option automatically selects a good server, but you can also manually choose the closest server with the lowest load. Try to avoid heavily congested locations since high traffic can reduce performance. You should also enable NordVPN's threat protection feature. It blocks ads, trackers, and harmful scripts, which not only improves security, but also reduces page clutter and helps websites load faster. And if you'd like to try NordVPN, I've added my affiliate link in the description. It gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months free. That's it. These small adjustments can significantly improve your internet speed and stability at home. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick tech tips.